Better than new perfect condition home move-in ready, no need to wait for build time. 3.62% Assumable FHA loan. Spacious living room and eat-in kitchen combo. Stainless steel appliances. WD upgrades include guest bath off kitchen, island in kitchen and double vanities in main bath. All bedrooms and large laundry room upstairs. Walk-in closet in main bedroom. Extra large closets throughout. Nest thermostat. Very reasonable utility bills. Smart lock. Keyless entry. App controlled garage door opener. Big garage. Plenty of parking on the long concrete driveway. Yard backs up to common space that is maintained by the HOA. 2 miles to elementary and middle school. 5 miles to Walmart. Compare the 3.62% assumable fixed rate to increasing rent cost and make the smart decision now to buy. Or USDA 100% financing eligible.